What's up guys? I wanted to make this video. I know I already made a video today, but I thought I would bring this to everyone's attention. Now, it's not saying it's going to happen for sure, but I'm going to show you some things that look like it is very possible, and I just want to have everybody forewarned just to look out for it, just in case. You never know. Markets can be crazy, and absolutely nobody knows what the markets are going to do for sure. Nobody has any crystal ball. But I'm going to show you a severe warning. As you guys know, we've been looking at a couple different charts here, and I'm going to show you. We've been looking at my bullish chart. Unless we break 53, then this one is out the window. And then I'm looking for my wave 2 right here, looking for wave 1 to end, then looking for wave 2. But what if none of this happened? I'm going to show you some charts that are very interesting. Now, you guys know what the Dow's doing. I think this looks very similar to the top we had before the COVID crash. So we're going to take a look at this stuff real quick. Now, this is the Amazon chart, right? And you can see Amazon in the dot-com bubble. This is back in 99, the big dot-com bubble. And if you remember, when the dot-com bubble was out, there were plenty of other dot-com things besides Amazon. Kind of similar to Bitcoin and then all the altcoins. Very similar situation, very similar market, very similar like excitement and enthusiasm. So just keep this stuff in mind. Like I said, there's no guarantees, but this is very interesting, and I wanted to put this video out and just give people something else to look at. What if? So as you can see, it hit its second top right here. At 112, it went 95% all the way down to $5.32, or right in there, right? That was a 95% correction, and it took about 65 days, or I'm sorry, 665 days, so a little under 2 years. Now, if that was to happen with Bitcoin, what would it look like? Let's take a look. I drew some of this stuff in there. You can see we went down past the 55 EMA, back on up, and this is on the weekly chart, guys. The weekly chart. Same thing with Bitcoin. This is the weekly chart. So you can see the similarities. I'll bounce back and forth a little bit. If I move this over a little bit, you can see. But you see the similarities. We made that second high, and you can see the ABC correction, just like I've been watching here, the big ABC correction. What if this done the same thing? What would it look like? What would it look like if we didn't get that wave 2 I've been looking for, and we just went something like this, back down to the 55 EMA? And 665 days would be in September of 2023. The good thing about it is, what did it do afterwards? Amazon, it went up just severely. The next 20 years just absolutely exploded. Now, could that possibly happen with Bitcoin? If so, then you could possibly see that $1 million Bitcoin, multi-million-dollar Bitcoin. Who knows? But maybe that's what we could be looking at. I just wanted to put the chart out and show you the similarities. Like I said, that would put it the bottom. And one more thing, that 95% would put Bitcoin at about 35,000, right in that range. And if you guys remember, I used to put this gap video out all the time. And the funny thing is, I was looking at it, and there is a gap right there on the CME. And again, guys, this is just stuff that's looking like it could possibly happen. Just some stuff pointing to it. Not saying it's going to happen, but that 95% correction, if we zoom in here, there is a CME gap right there. If we look at it in the, I think it was the 12. Back over here. Yeah, here we go. So there it is. Like I said, guys, obviously there's no guarantees on any of this stuff. It's just something else to look at. Just be prepared. Either way, if Bitcoin continues up, makes a new all-time high, be prepared for that. But have a plan. But here's that gap right there. At 35.70, there's a big gap right here. So just something to look out for, and it matches up with this 95% correction if this chart was to play out like the Amazon chart did. So anyways, let me know what you guys think of the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already for your daily Bitcoin updates. Smash that thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Thanks a lot, guys. I'm out.